Merge sort is a classic divide-and-conquer algorithm. But how do we rigorously analyze its time complexity? We will prove its runtime using three distinct methods: the Master Theorem, recursion trees, and algebraic expansion. To analyze merge sort, we model its work using a recurrence relation. The runtime T of n equals two subproblems of size n over 2, plus O, n, linear work to merge the sorted halves back together. Method 1 uses the Master Theorem. For our recurrence, A is 2, B is 2, and f of n is Cn. Comparing n to the power of log base b of a with f of n, we find they are asymptotically equal, yielding case 2, theta of n log n. Method 2 visualizes the execution as a recursion tree. At level 0, the work is Cn. At level 1, we have two nodes of work Cn over 2. At level I, the work is always Cn. Since the tree depth is log n, the total work is Cn times log n. Method 3 is algebraic substitution. By repeatedly expanding the recurrence relation, a clear pattern emerges. Substituting down to the base case, the expression simplifies directly to n times t of 1, plus Cn log n, proving the bound mathematically. All three methods independently prove that merge sort operates in O, n log n, time. This growth rate scales extremely well for massive datasets, outperforming quadratic sorting algorithms as input sizes grow.